Everyone is familiar today with the basics behind how the Fibonacci numbers are calculated. Most traders use Fibonacci retracements, but have you ever thought of using the Fibonacci Fan? The Fibonacci Fan predicts support and resistance levels on a chart once we anchor 2 points together. Usually this is going to be with 2 swings, just like we would if we were connecting a trend line. The Fibonacci ratio can be used to describe the proportions in things from nature's smallest building blocks, such as atoms, to the most advanced patterns in the universe. Nature relies on this innate proportion to maintain balance, but the financial markets also seem to confirm and to conform this golden ratio. So how can we utilize the Fibonacci Fan to improve our trading? There are strategies specifically designed to trade using the fan itself. But what we can do too is simply use the fan in addition to another strategy we have to take profit and set our stop losses. If we look at this chart as an example, you can see that the main line, which is the 0% Fibonacci ratio, connects to the 2 points right over here. Then we find 2 points where the price rejects almost exactly on that line. Then it continues to find support off the line as the trend continues. The fan has zones too that we can trade within. The color changes between each zone helps us to identify them easily, and as the price moves into each zone, the fib line above should act as a resistance, while the line below should act as a support. Let's move back to the lines for a second and watch how the price reacts each time it comes into contact with one. Now you can see by this example how many times we've actually found support and resistance off these lines. And it's our recommendation that if you have a strategy that you already have in place and you would like to utilize the Fibonacci Fan to rectify specific areas of which the strategy may be lacking, such as profit targets or stop losses, keep in mind that the top line of the Fibonacci Fan should always act as resistance and the bottom one should always act as support. So this means, in the example that we've just shown, because we have a downtrend confirmed, our strategy may be giving us long signals, and this could be a sign to say we need to ignore the long signals. Another way that we could use the fan is to say if we see a short entry come up in our strategy, our first target could be placed at the Fibonacci line that is below it, in case we do not have a confirmed profit-taking strategy with our system. If we would like to focus on the zones specifically, a trading strategy can be adopted where we confirm the price has moved into a new zone. Once we've confirmed that, our target could be set at the next line before it moves into the next zone. It's better to trade a strategy like this by going with the trend. For example, if we draw a fan by connecting one higher point to a lower point, which means our fan is angled downward, we should consider only taking short trades. So that does it for our introduction on the Fibonacci Fan, and we hope that it's going to add value to you as a trader.